Hello children, very good morning. Hope all are well. Today's we learn about in this module we will learn about five race root system. Welcome to our channel Science Fact. Before we start this topic, please like, subscribe and more share and press red button for upcoming notification. So here we will discuss about five race root system. Uh, this topic taken from the class 4 CBSE pattern. This is a very important topic. In previous video already discussed about parts of root and root tap root system and how can define root system. So here we will discuss about fibrous root system. So what is the root? The part of a plant that is below the surface of the earth is called root. So there are two types of root system, tap root system and fibrous root system. In previous video already discussed about tap root system. Previous video link I will put up in this video description box. So firstly draw here some diagram of fibrous root system. This is a diagram of fibrous root system. Fibrous root system. This is a plant. This is a root, fibrous root, and this is fibrous root system. Okay. Diagram of fibrous roots system. This is a fibrous root plant. So here we will discuss about how can define fibrous roots. This is a fibrous roots. Okay. Fibrous root. Fibrous root. So a fibrous root. Okay. This is a plant of fibrous root. So how can define? Some plants do not have a main root. Some plants do not have a main root. Such plant have many thin fiber-like roots of similar size. This diagram showing of fibrous root plants. This plant do not have a main root. Some fiber-like roots of similar size comes from here. You can easily see in this diagram. So fibrous root. How can define fibrous root? Some plants do not have a main root. Some plants do not have a main root. Okay. Some plants do not have a main root. This is a fibrous root diagram. Here is main root is absent. Only thin like fiber like structure. This is a fibrous root. So some plants do not have a main root. Such plants have many thin Such plants have many thin fiber-like roots. Fiber-like roots. Such plants many thin fiber-like root of similar size. These are called fibrous root. These are called fibrous root. These are called fibrous roots. Wheat, grass, maize, millet have a fibrous roots. Wheat, grass, maize, millet, wheat, grass, maize, millet, मतलब बाजरा. Millet is also known as bajra, have a fibrous root. Have fibrous roots. Okay. So this is a diagram of fibrous roots. You can easily draw in your notebook. This is a fibrous thin like structure, fibrous root. We will revise again. Some plants do not have a main root. Such plants have many thin fiber like roots of similar size. These are called fibrous roots. So how can define fibrous roots? Some plants do not have main root. Here we can see here they do not have a main root. Such plants have many thin fiber like roots of similar size. They are called fibrous roots. Wheat, grass, maize, millet or bajra have a fibrous root. So we will finish this video, and before finish this video, please subscribe, like and more, share and press red button for upcoming videos, upcoming notification. And in previous video link I will put up in this video description box. You can easily find out, so you can note down or you can draw this diagram in your notebook and increase your knowledge with this topic. This is a fibrous root system. And be safe, take care, stay in home. God bless, think positive, do positive. So goodbye, bye bye.